Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free 25 USDT that you can either withdraw or use to trade cryptocurrencies. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with the video. Before I proceed with the video, I want you to please join my Telegram channel. The link to this channel will be in the description box of this video or in the pinned comment of this video. So, make sure to join and stay updated on my latest post. I will be leaving the link to this website in the description box or in the pinned comment of this video. And when you click on it, you will be redirected to the front page of this website, which would look like this. And as you can see right here, they said sign up and claim 25 USDT for 10 million people, up to 250 million USDTs. Now, all you have to do to get this free bonus is to click on the button that says sign up and claim 25 USDT and give it some time to redirect you to the registration page of this website. On the next page, you will be given a registration form to fill in basic information about yourself. Make sure the information you are submitting to this website is correct and matches with the information on your identity card. I will be filling in basic information about myself, starting with my full name. After filling in your full name, the next step is to select your country of residence. As you can see right here, this website is available in almost all countries in the world. All you have to do is pick your country from the list. After selecting your country of residence from the list, the next step is to fill in your phone number. Now, make sure the phone number you are about to submit is an active phone number. Once done, the next step is to fill in your email address in the box below. Make sure the email address is correct and is owned by you. The next step is to put in a unique password in the box below your email address. Make sure the password is long and strong enough. After putting your password, the next step is to confirm the password by retyping the password in the Confirm Password box below. On the referral ID box below, I want you to copy my referral code you are seeing on your screen and paste it in this box right here. Now, tick the Terms and Conditions box right below it before clicking the Register button to create a free account and claim your free 25 USDT. After clicking the Register button, you will be redirected to the login page of this website. But before you successfully log into your account, you need to verify your email address. So, let's head over to my email account to get my email address verified. When you are on your email address, I want you to search for a new message from 𝗏𝗏𝗏, which would look like this one displayed on my screen, and click on it. Give it some time to load up, and when it's done loading, scroll up and click the Verify Email button displayed on your screen. You will be redirected to Chrome, and your email address will be verified. As you can see right here, it says thanks for joining with us. Your account has been activated successfully. You can log into your account and start to earn. When you also receive this message, all you have to do next is to go back to your browser and log into your account again. After putting your login credentials, the next step is to tick the box that says, I'm not a robot, before clicking the login button below. On the next page, you will be asked to put in the one-time password that was sent to your email account. So, to do that, I need to head back to my email account to retrieve the password sent to my email address. On your email account, search for a new message from 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and click on it. Give it some time to load. And when it's done loading, scroll up until you find a code, just like this one right here. Then, copy the code to your clipboard. Now, go back to the website, paste in the code you copied from your email account to the website. The next step is to click the Login button that is right below your screen. You will receive a success notification and be redirected to your dashboard. And if you pay close attention to my dashboard, you will notice that I have 25 USDT in my available balance. This is because I have been credited with the free 25 USDT for absolutely free. When you keep on scrolling up, you will find more information about your account, including other cryptocurrency wallet balance. And as you can see again, I have 25 USDT in my balance. And that's not all. This balance will be eligible for withdrawal on the 9th of October 2024. This website will be listing on the 9th of October, so be fast to claim yours before it ends. You can also boost your bonus by participating in the referral program of this website. To get your referral link, simply click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once it expands, click on the referral button and give it some minutes to load. On this interface, you will have access to your referral link. Not only that, you will be able to see the amount you will be paid for each referral. That's not all. You will be able to see the total amount you have accumulated from your referrals and the total number of people you have referred. You can also install their mobile app from Google Play Store for the Android users and log into your account. Like as I've said earlier, this website will be officially launched on the October 9th, so make sure to grab this offer. When you're on your Play Store, click the search icon that is right below your screen, and in your search bar type in 𝗏𝗏Pro, and click on the suggested app, 𝗏𝗏Pro Exchange. An app with this particular icon will show up. Make sure it's this icon you see when you search for their app. The next step is to click on the install button that is next to it. And when you pay close attention right here, you will notice that over 500,000 people have downloaded and claimed their free 25 USDT. Not only that, guys, this app currently has a 4.2 star rating from over 400 people so far. All you have to do now is to share your referral link to your friends and families so that you can boost your bonus before the website launches. That's all for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, as it allows us to make more informative videos like this one. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to keep you updated on our future videos. See you on the next video.